Hello, guys. Welcome back to Stacking Stocks, and thanks for joining us today. We've got more amazing content for you. The first banger on the list is Saitama, formerly known as Saitama Inu. The current price has many zeros that investors hope will go away. It's up over 1,000% in the last month. Now, when you look at Saitama Inu, the price seems to be very volatile. You decide to buy it, and then before you know it, the price has doubled. What is Saitama? Well, we're about to find out. Meme coins have become increasingly popular in the past year. Tokens like Shiba Inu have risen over 100 million% and have made investors rich. Many are hoping to find the next coin to have exponential gains, regardless of the token's utility. One of these tokens that recently gained traction is Saitama Inu. Many wonder if Saitama can continue to trend upwards. Specifically, many wonder if the token can beat the odds and reach 1 cent. Saitama is a community-driven ERC20 token, which means it was built on the Ethereum network. Saitama claims its goal is to educate the next generation of investors to make crypto investments simpler and safer by providing content that teaches traders how money works while they invest, opening opportunities for wealth creation. To do this, Saitama plans to develop its own ecosystem, including a marketplace, a software wallet, and a non-fungible token-based launchpad platform. And there's even more in the pipeline. Saitama also has a protocol in place to burn 2% of an investor's tokens with every transaction in an attempt to increase the value of the Saitama Inu token. It also claims to have an anti-whale mechanism that will prevent large investors from drastically affecting token prices. This feature is not yet functional and is entirely speculation. But let's talk about Saitama's market position. What is in the news? The current market cap of Saitama is about $4 billion with an ever-shifting price per token. Although the price of the token is at a fraction of a cent, the total market capitalization is considerable. If the price were to climb to 0.000008, cutting out 2 zeros, the market cap would grow to roughly $400 billion. This would make Saitama a top 3 coin behind Bitcoin and Ether. Many Saitama holders are hoping for a price increase. One of the major price targets for the token is at 1 cent. However, a price this high is extremely unlikely. At the current supply, a price of 1 cent would make the market cap $446,115,122,012,237. That's approximately 165 times the size of the entire crypto market. A price this high would most likely crash the economy and cause irreparable damage. Even though 2% of all transactions are burned, this is extremely minuscule when compared to the market cap. The average volume is around $50 million, so 2% of this is burned, or approximately $1 million per day. Compared to the increasing market cap of over $4 billion, that's almost nothing. Burning tokens does help hold the value, but not nearly enough for the price to reach 1 cent. While a price such as 0.0000008 is at least achievable. Now that we mentioned it, how long will it take for Saitama Inu to reach 0.0000008? For Saitama to reach this price target would require about 10 times growth from the current market value. This increase is completely dependent on trader volume as well as project growth. If the community continues to grow and Saitama launches all the features it claims it will, Saitama could see 10 times gains by January. In November 2021, Saitama has no current use cases, and the project is widely speculative at this point. Considering all the other altcoins available to investors, users face a real possibility that Saitama Inu may never reach 0.0000008. But we can't entirely rule that out as well. We've seen the volatility of cryptocurrencies countless times. There are many different options when it comes to purchasing altcoins like Saitama. You can purchase Saitama on Gate.io, or use a decentralized exchange like Uniswap to swap another crypto for Saitama. A decentralized exchange is a great alternative for traders looking to avoid fiat or wishing to exchange a different altcoin. To use a DEX, you'll need to buy Ether on a cryptocurrency exchange. Some great choices are eToro, Coinbase Global Incorporated, and Gemini. The first step in purchasing Saitama is to open an account on a crypto brokerage. This typically requires an email and password and basic personal information. Some great options are eToro, Coinbase, Voyager, and Gemini. On the centralized exchange, navigate to Ethereum and purchase the desired amount. Then send it to a wallet that's linked to Uniswap. Once you have ETH on a wallet linked to Uniswap, you can navigate to the ETH Saitama pair and execute the trade. From there, your Saitama will be stored in your wallet. Now, you may need to set the slippage to 10 to 15% in order to cover the fees associated with the transaction. When considering how to store your Saitama, there are two paths that you can choose from: software wallets and hardware wallets. A software wallet is an application on your computer or mobile device. A hardware wallet is a special type of wallet that stores a user's private keys in a secure hardware device, keeping your private key information off your computer and on the external device. Let's go ahead and delve a little further into these wallets. How do they operate? For starters, let's talk hardware wallets. Ledger is probably the most recognized and most credited hardware wallet currently available. The device is primarily an offline hardware wallet. Ledger also connects to Bluetooth and USB depending on if you want to use your computer or mobile phone. Ledger also has an app to make it much easier to secure, store, and manage your assets. Now let's move on to software wallets. What do we know about those? MetaMask is the largest decentralized software wallet currently available. MetaMask offers a desktop application as well as a very nice mobile app for traders. It also has built-in integration with hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, which ensures a maximum level of security for investors. But then you should pay close attention to the rollout of the features Saitama is claiming to launch as a real utility, and it will provide value to the project. So what's next for Saitama? What should investors expect? The current value of the entire crypto market is roughly $2.6 trillion. Market sentiment continues to stay bullish as Bitcoin begins its rally and Ether breaks all-time highs. Short-term market sentiment will depend heavily on what Bitcoin decides to do next. If you're looking to take a risk and diversify your portfolio into speculative altcoin projects, then Saitama may be a good investment for you. If you're looking to invest in revolutionary projects that will shape the future of decentralized finance, then Saitama may not be a great investment for you. Make sure to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Altcoins are extremely volatile assets. Saitama Inu hopes to set itself apart from other meme coins by creating projects to retain the value of the token, ranging from a wallet to an NFT marketplace. If these projects are deployed successfully, they may positively impact the price. The burning mechanism can also help raise the price as it increases the value of each token. However, these positive aspects of the coin are reliant upon the release of projects and volume. If one or both of these doesn't work in favor of the Saitama Inu, then the value may depreciate. Conversely, if there's a high volume and the projects are successfully released, a price of 0.0000008 or around a 50% increase may not be out of the question. The cryptocurrency has been on quite the rally lately, exploding by as much as 1,000% from the start of October. But most importantly, make sure you keep in mind some risks when it comes to Saitama. For one, it was only launched this year. Newer cryptocurrencies are riskier than those that have been around for a longer time, such as Bitcoin, and could make you more vulnerable to scams. Also, you could lose a lot of money quickly if you're not careful. This is because cryptocurrency prices can go down as well as up very quickly. And know that the crypto space can be filled with complexity, so you need to really understand what you're investing in. Well, we've pretty much covered everything for today. Once again, thank you so much for joining us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and see you next time right here on Stacking Stocks.